Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus platinum spark plugs. We'll explore the unique characteristics of each type, discussing their materials, performance benefits, and typical applications. Understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision for your vehicle's needs, ensuring optimal engine function and longevity. Let's dive into the details of what makes each spark plug distinct. Copper spark plugs feature a large copper core, which is an excellent conductor of electricity. This allows for a strong, consistent spark, making them ideal for older vehicles or those designed for high performance. While they are typically more budget-friendly upfront, their softer material means they wear down faster, requiring replacement more often to maintain engine efficiency. Platinum spark plugs utilize a platinum disc welded to the center electrode, offering significantly greater durability and resistance to wear compared to copper. This robust construction allows them to last much longer, often 2 to 3 times the lifespan of copper plugs. While their initial cost is higher, their extended service intervals can make them a cost-effective choice for many modern vehicles. When deciding between copper and platinum, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for manufacturer recommendations. Modern engines are often designed for platinum plugs due to their precise spark and longevity. Consider your driving style. Frequent short trips might benefit from copper's strong spark, while long commutes favor platinum's durability. Ultimately, the best choice balances performance, cost, and maintenance needs for your specific vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.